series connection, negative, positive, di ba? Di ba, sir?
Yeah.
And all of this series connection. Then going to solar charge controller, this is your solar charge controller. Solar charge, you see sir, it means solar charge controller. Then, but this is a PB, positive, negative, then battery. Go ahead, you know. Yeah. Then this is going to solar charge controller. Don't forget to polarity. DC is a polarity.
Yeah, gotcha.
Don't worry, AC is alternating current. Then for battery, di ba, you have 4 pieces per battery. Inverter, yes. You have the inverter, sir?
Yes, I got one.
How many watts? Yung solar inverter?
6,000.
6 kilowatt?
6,000. 12,000 peak.
Ito is solar battery. Then your solar battery is all parallel connection, and because your design is 12 volt system, all positive connect, positive, and all negative connect. Going there. Then solar charge controller going to battery for charging, for charge to solar panel. Then connect to positive. Then connect to negative. Then solar inverter. Solar inverter going to parallel or solar battery. Ever you have a solar inverter. Solar inverter. DC input for battery.
Plus minus.
Plus minus. Then they're going there to positive, then to going there for negative. Then going to your appliances. Load side. AC load. Or AC output. Yeah. This is the diagram for your design.
Okay, now I got
your solar panel.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I got a question. I understand back to our series versus parallel. Everything I've seen was to have this in series to get the the maximum wattage. Why would I want to go the other way? Why would I do it in parallel? To me, it's why would I need 4 panels if I'm going to set up a parallel?
The parallel connection. The parallel connection for the center, parallel connection is because of solar charge controller.
Only
The
because
solar charge controller is we have a maximum current for solar panel. Then, di ba, the solar charge controller is 100 ampere. Then the 100 ampere for the solar charge control solar panel, you have 100 parallels for your solar panel. And because of 100 ampere for your solar charge controller.
So are you telling me that this should be parallel?
Oh, yes. For the parallel, for design of your solar charge controller. If your solar charge controller is 100 ampere, 100 ampere, 100 ampere, use the solar panel is 100 parallels. If ever 100 ampere your solar charge controller.
Okay. So
It is maximum current.
So, are you telling me that I'm wrong here in doing this? Am I wrong in doing this series?
This is the design, is series connection. But the series connection, they're designed for the solar charge controller. If ever your solar charge controller, yung maximum PV input, what is example 150 volts maximum input of solar voltage of your solar panel,
Okay.
or 200 volts. This the PV input is solar charge controller. You design or series connection for solar panel. But don't forget, do not
Exceed.
over
Yeah.
voltage for your solar
Charge.
connection.
Okay. All right.
If ever your solar charge controller is 150 volts maximum input.
Okay, that's something I didn't investigate, so I gotta double check this.
Check your solar charge controller. Don't forget.
Okay.
If ever your solar charge controller is damaging for maximum power, over power, or over voltage, then over current.
Well, if the maximum on this, let's just assume it's 100 volts, then I need to change this
Change your
to parallel.
to parallel. But for me, for my suggestion, if ever your solar charge controller is maximum voltage is 150 volts, is good design for you.
Still?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If ever your maximum voltage is 150 volts, it's a good design for you for your connection for series connection.
All right.
Kaya
So I'll have to
you see
do
your
my homework
solar
on-
charge controller.
Yeah, I
For
didn't get it yet.
don't
so-
forget.
Okay. All right.
Excuse mo na, mag-isibo muna ako sa atin.
This one, what is this for?
Ito yung PV wire na gagamitin solar panel going to solar charge controller.
So dyan sa drawing mo,
Ah.
saan siya dito?
Ito po ma'am.
Ito
Ito yan.
okay.
Para siya yung dadaluyan ng electricity na galing sa solar panel. Going to battery.
Okay. This one, what is this for?
Ito ma'am, ito po yung MC4 crimper. Gagamitin para dito sa MC4 para hindi siya maglulos pag connect dun sa dito sa PV wire. Kasi yung gagamitin connector. Kasi ito maganda ma'am kasi itong MC4 na to maganda to kasi waterproof. O kaya iwas din para hindi magmo-moist yung wire mo.
Okay.
Yung PV wire mo.
I see.
Okay.
What about this? Kani?
Ito naman ginagamit pang series connection sa battery o kaya pang parallel. Ito yung tinatawag naming battery cable.
Okay.
Battery cable, ang size naman ito is 25 mm.
Oh.
Ito yung ginagamit po talaga sa battery connection, pang series o pang parallel.
Okay. And what about this black?
Same pa rin to ma'am. Ganun pa rin, ito yung ginagamit pa rin sa pang parallel.
Dapat mag-partner.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. And what about this?
Ito naman ma'am, ito rin, ang tawag nito is battery cable pa rin. Pero ang gamit nito, battery going to inverter.
So,
Ito yung ginagamit. Kasi
so-
ito is 25 mm pa rin yung size, pero yung haba niya is nasa 1 meter. Ito yung ginagamit connection, battery going to inverter.
Pero hindi natin makita dyan sa diagram mo.
Ito ma'am, ito yan ma'am. Ito ng wire na gagamitin na yan.
This one, this one.
Yes po.
Okay.
Iba na kasi yung hatak ng battery to inverter. Mataas na kasi yung ampere. Nakukunin niya to battery.
Okay.
Going to inverter. Kaya kailangan malaki yung wire na gagamitin.
Okay.
Kasi susunugin yan kung yan ang gagamitin.
Okay.
Pero dito naman ma'am, sa controller going to battery, pwede ito lang gagamitin natin. Yung flow lang naman galing sa panel, going to solar charge controller going to battery. Kaya pwede na yung gagamitin natin para dito na wire connection to solar charge controller going to battery. Ang may iba lang pag dito na sa inverter going to battery. Kasi iba na yung paghatak ng ampere ng inverter to battery. Kaya ang gagamitin natin, ito po talaga yung ideal na 25 mm na battery cable na gagamitin.
Okay. So, sige, if we have some questions, I'll just send you a message through Messenger.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So thank you for really helping us. We really appreciate that.